Hello, today I'm going to be installing this Toshiba 3TB hard drive. I have an unboxing of this on my channel. So let's begin. I have a torch today just to show, to help show specific bits, as this camera likes to not focus on things here, even though the lights are on and everything. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to plug it, because there's like a tight angle here. I'm going to be plug it in first. Actually, yeah, I'm going to plug it in first to the cables. There's a there's the power and the SATA connector there. Basically, let's move that out of the way. Should be able to see down there the wire I've connected. I'm not sure if you can see the black one that leads out here. There it is. That's one of the SATA cables. It's connected to one of them there. It's got that little like notch the one side. I've got two others. One for my other hard drive, which is in my floppy disk drive tray. I forgot the word, but yeah, it's I sort of modified the floppy disk like mount to fit the hard drive there, as I didn't realise there wasn't another space, and I nearly forgot I didn't have another wire for this hard drive either. So yeah, so that wire goes in there, and then you'll have one of the power supply wires, if I can find one. I'll show you in a minute, but let me just plug it in. Yeah, my hard drive will go in there. It's got like two notches there and there. That holds onto the bottom of the hard drive, and they go into where the screw holes are. And then to the top, these are where the only the top needs to be screwed in. Yes, it's more easier this way, because otherwise I have to take off the other panel, and I'm not sure if I can reach like through there, because there's that metal bit right at the end there. So let's get started. Just gonna move this to the side. Right, as you can see, there's the smaller one that goes at yeah. It goes in there like that. Just pushes in. If I can do it with one hand. There we are. One of the power supply ones, if I can get hold of one. I'll sort of strap them down, but let me just get one. You should be able to see there. There's the the one that connects to from the power cable. Forgot what it's called. But you can see it has the little notch at the end of it. There. And then on the power supply, it has the notch at the end as well. So you need to make sure they line up. Right there, goes in there. For some reason mine's a bit of a push to get in, so I just let me just push it in. There we are. Oh, as you can see, both cables are plugged in now. Just move the torch. As you can see, there's the hard drive, and then there's the two notches down there. I just move it into place. Oh. Yep, they're in the holes. I just need to make sure these things line up. I'll just put in the first screw and then I'll show you the other one. There we are. As you can see, I've got the first screw in there, and then you see the other screw is lined up with the hole. So I'll just put the next screw in there. You want to do it up firm, but not too tightly, because apparently this can affect the platters inside. Let's get my screwdriver. Make sure you have a. Actually, no, this is a new hard drive, but if you're putting in a like a hard drive with stuff on it, don't use a magnetic screwdriver, because it could like wipe your device and damage it and stuff. So yeah, there it is. Once connected in, as you can see there. I'll be giving another video about converting it to the file system from MBR to GPT, because then you'll be able to use a 3 terabyte hard drive with logical addressing in your computer. You'll be able to use it as a storage space, but you can't boot from it. So yeah, I'll leave a warning in the description, just saying, like, in case, just to prevent anyone from wasting their time if they're trying to look at this video on how to boot from the hard drive. I'm not really sure how. I've looked it up myself. I can't really seem to find a solution. I'm not sure if I found one before, but it was like passed off as it didn't work, like when people tried it. So yeah, I'll be using my old 500 gigabyte hard drive. I'm going to format it and then reinstall the operating system, get rid of all the crap that I've ever downloaded, and then start afresh, and then use my new 3 terabyte one for like. Actually, I'll use the rest of the 500 gigabyte space for like essential programs, like such as anti-malware, any sort of office program, like for college. Yeah, and then my 3 terabyte one I can use for games and stuff. I've got about 1 terabyte of games currently, but I don't actually have them all installed on the 500 gigabyte one, because it's not enough. So I've got only like a few of them installed, and I've got loads of other programs, so I needed this upgrade. Yeah, thanks for watching, and goodbye.